So let's move ahead using an app that is called pixellab. So with pixellab, you can design from the scratch. The other one we talked about yesterday was on poster my wall, just by editing templates, which is more easier than designing from the scratch. So when you launch your pixellab, you're going to find you're going to have this home screen, and then you can just delete this particular word, the new text on the screen. Just delete that. The delete icon is at the top left. You can see the basket over there. Click on it and confirm the deleting of text. Alright, so in this session we are going to be just practicing, taking a simple practice on tests. A simple practice on while working on tests. Alright, so I'm going to click on then I click on the plus sign. But before doing that, let me change the background of this particular work. So I'll just click on the if you look below your screen, you have about 5 icons there. So from your right hand side, you click on the second icon, that is the square box. The two square box that are lapping over each other, you click on that and then click on color. Want to change the background color, and then select color. You'll be choosing white. Let me go with white, and then you click on OK. That is the mark icon. So I have changed the default background to white. So the next thing to do is to click. I want us to work on tests. So I'll click on the plus sign at the top to add the text, or I come to the icons I have below the screen and click on the A alphabet. That letter alphabet A, I can click on it. With that, I'll be able to add a text. So when you click on that, you click on plus text, that is add the text, and then you can drag that particular text box to any part of your screen, and then you click on edit, or you double click on that new text, that is that word in the box, new text. You can double click on it to edit your text. So I'll be doing something very simple, and I'll also want you to take a practice of it. So I'll be having I am a graphic designer, and then you click on OK. So once you click on OK, we are going to change the font size. So we are going to change the font face. We are going to add a color, and then we are going to choose an alignment for this. Alright, so just scroll and then scroll down to align, to click on alignment. So I'll be choosing a center paragraphing, and then I'll click on OK. So the next thing I'm going to do is the fonts. I need to change the fonts. I click on font, and then I have series of fonts available. We can also download fonts. I'll just choose any of the fonts here, and then click on OK. You can see the font has changed. Now let me just space these words out a bit, so that I will be able to increase the size of the text to be more visible. Okay, let me just edit this. I am a, let me put graphics designer. Okay, let them stand this way. So I'm going to save now. So I'll just click on save. The save icon is at the top here. I'll click on save, and then I'm going to save as image. Then I'll click on save to gallery. So automatically you have your work saved to your phone gallery. So you're going to take a practice now at your end.